Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of generating additive and multiplicative patterns. This is standard 5.4C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 21 off the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have an equation here, y equals 1.5x, and we need to figure out which of these tables matches that. Now, y equals 1.5x, we do need to know that this relationship right here between our number and our variable is multiplication. And it's not necessarily shown with a dot or with an X. Whenever you see a number next to a letter, and there's no operation signal, there's no addition, subtraction, division, that is going to be multiplication. And sometimes we can also do it like this. We can do 1.5. You're going to see sometimes parentheses also shows multiplication. We really just start dropping multiplication as we get older and older in 5th grade and above. And so we're going to use our strategy of substitution. And that's going to help us. Because what we're going to do is we're going to substitute some of these x values, like we'll start with 9. We'll see if we can plug it in here and get up to 13.5. So let's start with that. We're going to say y equals 1.5x. We are going to substitute in our 9. We'll show it like that, the parentheses 9. So let's just do a little multiplication down here. 1.5 times 9, that's 45, and that's 9 and 1, 9, 13. 1 digit behind the decimal in the factor, 1 digit behind the decimal in the product. So y equals 13.5. So we're good there. Let's check what b looks like. We might be able to eliminate it. Y equals 1.5x. So y is going to equal 10 now. So y equals 1.5 times 10. Multiplying by 10 is super easy, because we just move the decimal to the right. If you don't have any decimals, you just add a 0, but when you do have a decimal, you're going to move the decimal to the right, so that's going to be 15. No, so B is out, because that's not even right on the first one. Let's check C. Y equals 1.5. X, we're going to substitute in our 13. 1.5 times 13, that's not something we can do in our head. Let's go ahead and just do this right here. 1.5 times 13. And so we're going to get 15, that's 45. And then we just got 15 underneath. So we've got 19.5. Remember, 1 digit behind the decimal in the factor, 1 digit behind the decimal in the product. Hey, 19.5 works. So right now A and C are both looking good. So y equals 19.5. And then let's check D. I'm not thinking it's going to work. 0.5x, but let's just verify. We're going to substitute in this 14. Y equals 1.5 times 14. So 1.5 times 14, that's going to get 20, 60, add a 15. So yeah, that's way off. That's going to be 21. So that is incorrect. So let me see. We are back to A and C. So let's check this next one right here. Let's check 11. Okay. So we're going to say, let's see if we can do that right down here. Y equals 1.5x. Y equals 1.5 times 11. So let's see what 1.5 times 11 is. That's an easy multiply. That's 15 and another 15. So that's 16.5. So that's looking good. So let's just see what 15 looks like. Y equals 1.5x. Y equals 1.5 times 15. It's like 15 times 15. So 15 times 1.5, that's going to be 75. And that's going to be 15. So we're going to add that up. That is going to be 2.5. Incorrect. Our answer is A.